Just touched down like NASA. How we know all you? I'm in the place, you know. And the place I am at. If anybody comment and tell me where they are, I give you $200 right now. Comment, tell me where they are, I give you 200. Easy like that. Comment, tell me where it is, I give you 200. Easy. All the way outside. Hey, all the tongue nice. Ooh, being outside is better. You don't matter the weather. Just give us one man soca and it's mass in every area. Every bus so we on that. Mashing up events real flat. The curfew we can take that. Cause outside is it. Say you go catch me outside. And you are there where I there and I'm minding my business. All you should do the same.
They said that the razor but he's no longer sharpened.
Right joke.
This man is a razor but he's no longer sharpened.
Right joke.
Song your voice, brother.
Right joke.
Watch the jail, big up yourself, brother. You live already?
Yeah, we live already.
Tell the folks we inside Carol.
Let me tell them. What's going on, everybody? Big up on yourself right now. That's all the boy Blazzer Sharpen like a razor right now when you carry go. We up here for the mass. And we play the mass and all again the mass live and direct.
You know what I mean tonight?
Yes or no? Are they only telescope tonight?
Oh, alright.
I don't need to
say no more.
So if you don't get the line up before I come up, the reason why I come up because the line up will burst. And I party in jail Tuesday.
So understand the Osprey come up loaded this morning.
The Osprey came up ram. He wasn't loaded, he was ram. People were sitting on top of people's bags, on top of bags and all kind of ramashi on the boot coming.
Well, Dolly see later on will be worse around. Imagine you go leaving at 4 o'clock and you have 15 people already trying to get this spot.
Well, in other words, Dolly C, you say ram around. Dolly C would be ram, and ram. So it's not just an easy ram in Dolly C coming up with. Anyways, I'm showing the people on the line how well the beautiful line of
man, it's all about love. Listen, you're not running away, so brother.
What a boy.
Just cut a tune, a cappella style. DJ, you find him already? Find him quick. You have to do something.
Give me. Can't tell me what to do. You can't. You don't get it yet? Blazzer top yet? You tell me? Yeah, man, get the man. Watch me, let me rest it down. Hold on, let me rest on my back. I come out in the pharmacy because once you touch an island and you know it's mass, I come out and get my vitamin C and my Listerine and me too.
Everything.
I ready for the mass. All you must level up and stay up because the mass will be up. DJ, you get it yet? You don't get it yet? You ain't get it yet? Man, play anything, no man. Play anything you have, no man. Play, man. Play that, man. Play that. Watch. That DJ is worth this DJ. The DJ go on YouTube to find the music. Man! Big up that DJ, man. Hold on this so. Keep the camera, man. Turn it up. Can't tell me what to do.
Where the hell the boy?
Can't tell me what to do. Can't tell me what to do. You can't tell me. Can't tell me what to do. Can't tell me what to do. Big up everybody inside that Kayak right now. Listen, boom. I have been waiting, anticipating. What next in life to come here my way? I wish I could wake up with no worries, no. You see me turn on the telescope? You see on the telescope, let's turn on, tell them. Boom! Let me go. You see how things can change so fast when they carry in your glass. Oh. It's ours as to let someone know we let it. Everybody know.
He's up the traffic.
Everybody drinks, so when they gonna live today of the way. Cause we sure to party and cause party more now. Oh, today is the day after we play and everybody say. Pull up DJ, people pull up and play next show. Give me advantage on the jam. Advantage on the jam. Advantage on the jam. How much years now they making us see trouble?
About 3 years now.
3 years now. I find she trying to take Watch me.
DJ drop the chip.
I find they trying to take advantage of the job. Oh God, they make us see real trouble for the job, man.
What?
Almost 1,000 years, you say?
1,000.
About a milli.
What is DJ sticking back.
A milli.
I go bring the DJ on the live in. What?
DJ,
Let me show.
Advantage of the job, man. Oh God, the DJ looking for them songs on YouTube.
DJ, hey, DJ, hey, DJ.
I'm give it up for the DJ, DJ Great.
DJ.
DJ right now, like DJ Great.
Play the tune, let me go.
DJ Great! Why is the DJ name? Why the DJ name?
Well, like the replacement, he's a bartender, but he
Like
just...
DJ replacement.
You want to see jab.
You know good. You know good.
You find it already?
So what happened on? What happened in front of the supermarket?
By big sales.
Sales. Come.
Let me show the people who are going
DJ,
on.
hold on, don't play it yet. Once
Don't
you get
play.
it, hold it. But I want to show the people on it like that we have great sales, and I ain't gonna lie for you. See, I bought last syrup there for $152. The last time I bought last syrup in
You
Trinidad.
had some more money on it, but they 105, you know.
105, but no, what is that down here? What do you want to take on it? Well, the regular price, I see as a regular man. I don't see regular prices. So, right now it went from 157 to 105. And all you see that? We have from 102 to $89. Watch that. We have a $135 bottle here. On everything just cheap.
What's the price?
Wow, hold on, how much you say? 135, so it was from 171, 75 to 135. Real cheap. All of them from 50 to 44. All from 215 to 185. Holy lordy. All from 40 to 35. Oh God. Hold on, what am top the river say? 59 to 51. Too much are deals. Drop the two. I will get mad by that.
I think the DJ find it now.
DJ drop the two. DJ advantage at the jam. Advantage at the jam.
He ain't find it.
No, you had the wrong name. You see, the thing is with the DJ. DJ, my name is Blazzer yeah.
Don't worry, you go find it.
Do what, Jano? That small thing, all I want to
Yes,
all I want
people,
to
so
do
later
one
on, we're inside Hillsborough Tennis Court.
One more.
Yeah.
One more time.
Yeah, man, do a
Let me
thing now.
bless the place again. They take too long to give us the mass, eh? They take too long to give us the mass. They take advantage of the job, ain't it?
Yeah, man.
They take advantage of the job. I don't like what they do the job. That's why they try to take advantage of the job. Oh, we tell them no, but job don't stop. No way, what? We don't stop like 40. We rock like Cocoa Tree. I find they trying to take advantage of the job. Squeeze, DJ, squeeze it. Squeeze it, man. Yes, man. You don't want to pull it up. Just squeeze and bring it again, man. Bring it again. They take too long to get us with master, so. They take too long. All the my name Blazzer Sharpen like a razor, and I just passing through. Boom! We don't supply. Tell them we don't supply 40. We rock and Cocoa Tree. I find she trying to take advantage of the job. I find they trying to take advantage of the job. I find they trying to take advantage of the job. I find they trying to take advantage of the. I want to tell them. But when we retaliate, we done the place, mass in the place, driving up, flattening up the place. But when we retaliate, jam in the place, turning up the place. Listen, I see real woman in town, and a woman they winding down. We got the virgin stuff yet. All you have to go, It was a pleasure meeting you. I can't stay one place for too long. DJ, big up on yourself. Let me show the people the place. On the way outside.
Yeah, man. Bless up.
How you mean?
Razor sharpen like a blazer.
I don't know.
I say it correctly?
You said anyway, you said you're right.
Yeah.
But Blazzer Sharpen like a razor.
Blazzer sharpen like a razor.
Yes, sir.
It's all about kayak, man. So you know the most peaceful.
Now, well, you know that
I've
been coming up here for the past 10 years, and they give us so much a million years break and a back here. As soon as they say let's go back. You understand? So all the week up on yourself. And I'm gone for the night. Later on, it's master the tennis good. Yeah, Flex out for the back. I don't want that to be inside. Oi! Wago, you there good? I in the place. Yeah. Oh fuck. I need to get back. We have to get plastic back.
Let it go. No.
Where they are selling? They are selling somewhere. I have to go by this. Let me go by the supermarket. Yeah. All you feel. Show. Show. Yes, I. Yeah, man, yeah. Hello, can I have a bag, please? Your bag for sale? Yeah, no problem.
Nice.
it up if you like. For only $10. We got some dollar wings too. We're live here with
think I know why I'm live. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. All you.
Everything must go. Everything must go.
Within the place. I went in the back. I have to pass by my girlfriend up. We have a girlfriend in Kayak. I have to pass and see her, but I don't want her to see me yet. I don't want her to see me yet. It's a surprise. She don't know. She didn't know I'm coming up. But I guess by now she should know. Yeah, I don't feel by now she should know. Yeah? I don't feel by now she should know. By now she should know because I live and I kick in pin all over there. Watch me. All over there tongue. All over there tongue. Yeah, the back boss in the bottom. Matter of fact, yeah, the back that boss. The back that boss in the bottom. And all the way outside. You're outside like a wet rat. Hey, how are you? You good? Yes, I. Yeah, dada. Outside like a rat. Hello, ladies. I outside like a rat. You know what a rat is? Staying in a hole. Easy. Yes, I. You know what a rat is? Hello, mama. Yes, yes, lovely. Oh gosh, flowers. Yeah, them flowers beautiful, boy. What I have. Mommy, you want selling them flowers? I have all these though. I have those, but I'm in love with flowers. I'm sure she see me singing, but I will check her. Watch me, to all the persons who never been to Kayak yet, y'all need to try it out. It's a beautiful place. Y'all need to come. Y'all need to come to Kayak. It's a different experience, you know what I mean? Coming to Kayak is a flex. Hey, you wanna? Yes, I. Bank line long. Some Brooks for the weekend, right? Jesus. Or did the bank line long? Yeah, what one? Yes, I. I'll come back and check it. Oh, let's go. Oi! So are you killing people on the pedestrian crossing? Thank you. Bless up. Yeah, man, yeah. All you. Yeah, take a break your leg this soldier. I'll go. On the shot. A Daisy, we live. Yeah. We live, man. Big up the people on them on the live now, man.
Yeah, man, I have to big up everybody. Everybody on the live, you don't know. Yeah.
If I Oli, they say I Oli. I to Oli.
Yeah, you to Oli.
No, I Oli enough. I don't to Oli. I Oli enough. Because next thing when I come up, quite Monday and me so what happens Friday.
Monday? No, Monday. You have to
Well, we
go right back there.
What I was saying, so I come up in time to do the mass.
You have show
tonight,
you have show tomorrow. You have show Sunday.
Okay.
You see that show Monday and still Tuesday.
I'm going back street. All you. Big up all yourself. Hey, Samasha, you're too wicked. Hey, Lala. Oh God, the boss. How going on? You good? Yeah. Take your time, my brother. Yeah. Bless up. Samasha, you're too wicked. So Samasha, you're waiting to come up when? When are you waiting to come to Kayak? Eh? When there is no mass? Samasha, move you so and so, you gotta cost her, you know. Samasha will cost you, you know. Samasha, move you so and so. Big up yourself. We live and we kick it. We live. Up. Yeah, take your time. All you. All right. Let me cross. Yes, I am. Let me cross the road. So all you. I don't know the thing going on. I did inside a Kayak and Kayak just lovely. All you see I give them a performance for. With them promoters and them all just link me. Top Cat, big up yourself, Top Cat. Where you Top Cat? Top Cat. Big up yourself, Top Cat. Yo, yeah. Top Cat, you see well. Advantage of the job. Can tell me what to do. Later on is mass on the tennis court. Tomorrow is mass, boat cruise, everything just I just making a busy turn. I don't watch them boss on them. Watch them boss on them. Yo, watch me. I want to touch the studio when you have time. Go on. Go on away, man. Other than Marsh works. Hey, what's up? You good? Alright. Other than was Marsh works. That is Marsh works. But I really want to touch the studio up here too as well. You know, at least just leave some vocals. Sometimes they don't want to do nothing with it yet, but when they're ready, at the most. Hi, baby. Oh God. Oh God, she just calling me and choke kiss for me. She don't know me. Samasha, she don't know who I is. Samasha, she don't know I was just bend up on a coconut tree. Brian! What is shot by? What is happening? You doing the lumber yard?
Yeah.
Selling bus cement?
No, man.
With all of them, my cousin. Big him up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You good, man?
Yeah.
Alright. What you mean? So I will miss that? And they let us go?
Yeah, I tell you.
The Pharaoh, the most let the people go. Nah, girl. Nah, I don't study Samasha. Yo. Whoa, what on? Alright. Bless up. Boy. Samasha, what do you girl? Samasha. Wait now. Hello. Samasha, you and I are late. I'll be waiting to come over and play mass on boat. I don't think that. Watch me, once I'm there on the island, what I love about Kayak is just being here, like just jumping on the horse because I's a man. Hey, Samasha? I's a man. I like to take Oli. So I prime it up for the mass. I prime it up for the mass. Hello. You know, I prime it up for the mass. You know, I don't want to reach up here tomorrow. Come up with a whole slow boat all them matter. Nah. Quick and fast, an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to come up with the horse free all them matter. I go and wait to play mass come up and down the seat. I want to reach up here tired. I don't do that. Nah. That's good for me. So anyways, I come out and get my necessary stuff. And I'm heading back to the hotel now. So big up all yourself. Later on we're going live. Tomorrow we're going live. Sunday we're going live. And the best part about going live is Monday in the mass. I know a lot of all they go feel the pain. You know? I know all they go feel the pain, but I show you the fun all them, man. And all them people who there to work and all them must go to work, I show you the fun all you. That's my time to show off on all you. Big up yourself, Chidik. Sean, big up yourself. But Sean, right now we're in Grenada. Sorry about Europe and them. Yeah. What you have in Grenada, what he has in Grenada is carnival. Where you have water in the business. You know, I don't have time for no water in the business. If you want to fight and mash up the place, that's the business. That don't have nothing to do with me here right now. That has nothing to do with me right now. Right now it's mass. Real mass. Plenty mass. So let me phone, even though I have the phone plug and my power bank, but the battery cannot there. So a little later on, I'll go see some mass. So big up on yourself. On my way back, later on we go. Make sure you tune in. Kayak Mass 2022. Big up on yourself. Yeah, I'm out.